Hello students, we will start with today's OCM class. In the last class, we already seen the functions of marketing. These are the various functions we have studied in the last classes. Yes, we will start with the today's class and today's part. And today is the last part of chapter number 8, that is marketing mix. We will start with the marketing mix. The marketing mix is the combination of different marketing variables that the firm blends and controls to achieve the desired result from the target market. Now, what do you mean by marketing mix? It is a combination of what different marketing variables. There are different marketing variables we have seen in the functions part as well. The firm blends and controls to achieve the desired result from the target market. For example, I want to sell a notebook. Yes, तो नोटबुक के लिए मैं किसको मेरा टारगेट कस्टमर बनाऊंगी? स्टूडेंट्स को, स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, पीजी स्टूडेंट्स. So all this is called as a target market. In simple words, marketing mix is a putting right product at the right time, at the right price, in the right place. That means, in simple words, marketing mix means what? You have to put the right product to at the right time, at the right price, and in the right place. Now we will see when the marketing mix concept is introduced. The 4 P's of marketing is introduced by E. John McCarthy in 1960. But after some research part, there are 3 more elements are introduced by Booms and Bittner in 1981. Earlier there are the 4 P's. Now after 1981, they are going to introduce total 7 marketing mix variables. Now we will start one by one. Before that, we will see one picture. For that reason, I want to explain you. The product may be in the form of your goods or services. आपका प्रोडक्ट कुछ भी हो सकता है, गुड्स भी हो सकते हैं, सर्विसेज भी हो सकते हैं. तो गुड्स के लिए बेसिकली हमें 4 मार्केटिंग मिक्स लगते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट वेरिएबल्स. वो क्या है? प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस एंड प्रमोशन. These are the 4 important marketing mix included when they are going to decide about the product as a goods. Now we will see the services part. Services part में हम लोग देखेंगे the there include marketing mix called product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical environment. All these 7 elements are included when you are going to decide product as a services. So these are the various elements or the variables have to take consideration while deciding the marketing mix of any product or in the form of goods or services. We will see one by one what is that. See, here there is a picture of 7 P's of marketing: place, price, promotion, physical evidence, people, product, and process. So these are the 7 elements included in the marketing mix. We will see next part, product. The product refers to the goods or services that are offered to the customer for sale and are capable of satisfying the need of the customer. यानी क्या? प्रोडक्ट रिफर्स टू द गुड्स. प्रोडक्ट क्या हो सकता है? गुड्स भी हो सकते हैं, सर्विसेज भी हो सकते हैं, एंड विच कैन ऑफर टू द कस्टमर्स फॉर सेल और केपेबल ऑफ सेटिस्फाइंग द नीड ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. कस्टमर्स की नीड सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए दे आर वेरी कैपेबल. ऐसे प्रोडक्ट हमें चूज करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज the product can be intangible or tangible as it can be in the form of services or goods. Goods कोई भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. Intangible or tangible means what? Which you can see, feel, touch. Yes, and also which you cannot feel, see and touch. So that products and goods and services can be included as a product. The business need to decide the right type of product through the extensive marketing research. हमेशा marketing research करना है क्योंकि it will give a brief idea that what kind of product exactly your customer wants. This is clear to everyone. Now we will see the next point related with this. The impact of the product in the mind of customer is required. यहाँ पे मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है अमूल का. So Amul is a brand, is a well-known brand in India. Yes, even if it is a cooperative society, the brand name, everyone knows it, in the form of chocolate, in the form of dahi, in the form of your paneer, in the form of your butter. So these are the various products introduced by the Amul. That means whenever you are going to introduce the product, it can be easily remember. It can be have a impact of a product in the mind of customer is required. Now we will see the second element, that is price. The price of the product is basically the amount that the customer pays for the product. Yes, प्रोडक्ट हम लोग जब लेते हैं तो हमें कोई भी फ्री में प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं देता, हमें उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ अमाउंट पे करना पड़ता है. The price of product is basically the amount that the customer pays for the product. Price plays an important role in creating the demand for the product. डिमांड क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको राइट प्राइस रखना ही पड़ेगा आपके प्रोडक्ट का, बिकॉज यू हैव टू compete with your competitors as well. The business needs to take utmost care to decide the price of the product. They have to think in the all perspective, all elements related with the product. And before that, before deciding your product price, you need to take all your aspects into consideration. Cost of the product and willingness of the customer to pay for the product plays an important role in pricing of the product. Cost of the product and willingness of the customer, आपके कस्टमर्स के प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस एंड विलिंगनेस, आपके कस्टमर्स को कितना पे करना है रिलेटेड विद दैट प्रोडक्ट, एंड इट विल प्लेज एन important role in the pricing of the product. While deciding the prices, the value or and utility of the product to its customers are to be considered. जब प्राइस डिसाइड होता है आपके प्रोडक्ट्स का, तब उसका वैल्यू, उसका यूटिलिटी, उसके प्रोडक्ट का what is the exact use of that use for your customers, that can be considered whenever you are going to decide about the price. We will see the third important element, third important P is place. प्लेस हमने पहले ही स्टडी किया है एज अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल. प्लेस, प्लेस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल. यस, प्लेस यानी क्या, आपको राइट प्रोडक्ट एट द राइट टाइम एट द राइट प्लेस आपको पहुंचाना है. किसको? आपके डिजायर्ड कस्टमर्स को. नेक्स्ट इज द प्लेसमेंट और द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द मार्केटिंग. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना यानी प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपरली customers तक देना, that is also very important part of a marketing. Making a right product at the right price is not enough to make the product available to potential customer at the right place too. Not only your product can be decided at the right price, but वो right time पे proper customers को मिलना चाहिए. That is also responsibility of your any business. Businessman needs to make the product available to the potential customers at the right place too. यानी क्या, आपके customers को right time right place पे मिलना भी ज़रूरी है आपका जो product है वो. Business needs to uh, business needs to contribute the product in a place accessible to the potential buyers. It covers the location, distribution, and ways of delivering of the product to the customer. I want to give an example of your Swiggy and Zomato. That means what, they are collecting parcels from somewhere, whatever you are decided for your product, the location. Yes, and that can be reached up to the you. So this is one of the important part of a distribution. So place can be also considered while that you are going to decide about the product. Yes, so business needs to distribute the product in a place that is accessible to the potential buyers. यानी आपकी कस्टमर्स को राइट टाइम पे, राइट प्राइस पे, राइट प्लेस पे आपका प्रोडक्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, इट कैन बी रीच. Yes, till this everyone understand? Okay, thank you.